Welcome to this explainer. If you're managing information security, you already know that training your team is an absolutely non-negotiable requirement. A lot of security professionals honestly believe they're completely protected just because they have a beautifully written training plan sitting safely in some folder. It's so easy to just check the box, pat yourself on the back, and assume your upcoming audit is going to be a total breeze. But what if the very methods you're using to train your staff are actually hiding a massive compliance disaster? Well, today we're focusing on a hidden landmine buried right inside standard security training methods. We're going to unpack exactly how your common practices might be actively working against your compliance goals, and much more importantly, how you can fix it. Okay, let's dive right into this. So, are your security slides actually creating a vulnerability? I know, it sounds totally backward, right? Training is supposed to patch human vulnerabilities, not create compliance ones. We usually view these presentations as our main armor against things like phishing or social engineering, but just think about this for a second. If your organization relies heavily on standard, unchanged, one-size-fits-all training slides year after year, you might actually be secretly exposing your entire information security management system, your ISMS, to an immediate audit failure. The very tool you thought was shielding you might actually be signaling to auditors that your security culture is stagnant and completely out of touch with actual, real-world threats. Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. First, we'll look at the static slide trap and why generic training fails. Then, the ticking clock of the 6-month compliance bomb. After that, we'll explore the ISO Institute solution. And finally, how to use that to make a 15-year maturity leap. Let's jump straight into the first point. Part 1. The static slide trap and the very real danger of generic training. This is where basic awareness training completely falls apart against modern ISO 27001 standards.
Look, the core of the problem really comes down to relying on generic static slides. We've all seen them, right? Those broad, recycled, painfully repetitive decks that just tell everyone not to click on bad links or share their passwords. They treat the CEO, the lead developer, and the marketing intern as if they face the exact same daily risks. And honestly, auditors are just no longer satisfied with that bare minimum approach. Modern compliance actually demands the exact opposite: targeted, rule-specific, threat-driven training scenarios. Think about it. A finance manager absolutely needs to deeply understand invoice fraud, while a systems engineer needs heavy training on secure coding practices. The source data shows us that sticking to a generic approach isn't just bad for learning, it's officially considered a documented vulnerability. You have to evolve to targeted, rule-specific training if you want to be compliant.
And hey, this isn't just theory or some nice-to-have advice. If you look at actual ISMS document logs tracking vulnerabilities and risks, you will find explicit warnings. The documentation states clearly, annual training plan relies on generic, static slides rather than role-based, threat-driven training. So, in the eyes of an auditor, rolling out those tired, static presentations isn't just lazy, it's a documented flaw in your training plan's relevance. When an auditor sees the exact same generic deck handed out to every single department, they know right away that your organization isn't doing the real work of threat modeling. They see your security awareness program as just a superficial compliance exercise rather than a genuine working defense mechanism.
And that failure feeds directly into an even bigger threat. Section 2. The 6-month compliance bomb and the absolute cost of delayed execution.
6. It seems like just a number, but in the context of your training plan, it is literally a ticking clock. Having a beautifully documented annual security awareness training plan is a fantastic first step. It really feels like an accomplishment, but having a plan on paper and actually executing it, those are two totally different realities in the fast-paced world of compliance. A super common pitfall is getting your plan approved by management and then just letting it sit idle while other daily fires take over. But the reality is, if you delay the rollout of your approved training plan for too long, you're basically holding a live grenade. Auditors actively hunt for the gap between the approval date on your document and the actual date your employees sit down to take the training.
Here is the crucial tipping point. If your annual security awareness training plan is approved, but the actual execution of that training is delayed for over 6 months without a valid, documented reason, you instantly trigger a major non-conformance. This is specifically tied to the timeless Control A.6.3, which formally governs information security awareness, education, and training. Let that sink in for a second. A major non-conformance is not some minor little oversight or a gentle nudge to do better. It is a severe penalty. It means your management system has fundamentally failed in a vital area, and it can outright jeopardize your entire certification audit, sending your whole team into full panic mode.
Because delaying your training doesn't just fail one little check, It sets off a dangerous domino effect across your entire compliance framework. First off, it violates Clause 7.2b, which mandates that you must ensure the competence of your people. Well, if they aren't trained recently, they aren't considered competent, period. At the same time, it violates Clause 7.3, which specifically demands ongoing security awareness. You simply can't claim to be maintaining awareness if the training itself is perpetually delayed. And of course, it triggers that catastrophic failure of Control A.6.3 we just talked about. The stakes of sitting on an unexecuted training plan are just way too high. You're basically doing all the hard work of planning, only to fail the audit because of a simple scheduling bottleneck.
Okay, deep breath because there is a highly efficient way around this. Section 3, the ISO Institute solution, utilizing professionally designed training templates.
Instead of pulling your hair out trying to reinvent the wheel, burning dozens of hours writing materials, and risking a major penalty because of delays, the ISO 27001 Institute provides an absolute lifeline. Their template is shockingly efficient. Rather than some bloated 100-page document, it's a brilliantly simple 2-sheet editable Excel file. But hey, don't let the lightweight format fool you. The content inside is entirely pre-filled and expertly crafted. It effectively guarantees rapid compliance alignment, giving you a fully realized, ready-to-go plan that deeply satisfies those rigorous auditor demands for role-specific, threat-driven training. Plus, it completely removes the friction that usually causes that fatal 6-month delay in the first place.
And you can trust this thing completely, because it's not just some generic form downloaded off a random blog. This comprehensive training plan sample was meticulously crafted by a committee of InfoSec industry experts, principal auditors, and lead instructors operating under the aegis of the ISO Training Institute. These are the exact people who deeply understand the nuances of what triggers a non-conformance. By using a resource built under the aegis of the ISO Training Institute, you are effectively using a guide created by the authorities themselves. It flawlessly addresses the rigorous requirements coming directly from ISO 27001 controls.
And implementing this solution leads us to our final topic. Section 4, a 15-year maturity leap. Taking your organization from generic training straight to an advanced ISMS.
So how do you actually put this incredibly powerful tool to work? It's honestly absurdly simple. First, you just download the secure Excel template. Next, you locate the hypothetical placeholders that are seamlessly embedded throughout the document. You're looking for specific dummy text, things like ABC Technologies Private Limited or the acronym ABC TPL. And finally, you just replace those generic placeholders with your organization's exact name and logo. That is literally it. The whole customization process takes maybe a couple of minutes. No committees, no weeks of drafting, and you absolutely don't need to hire an expensive external consultant to write a massive plan from scratch.
Now here's the crazy part. The massive payoff for those few minutes of work? 15 to 20 years. The source documentation asserts that while this customization takes mere minutes, a sincere and serious implementation of the contents within this template actually grants you a head start in ISMS maturity by 15 to 20 years. Think about what that really means for you. You're effectively skipping the awkward, vulnerable teenage years of your security program. By adopting this pre-vetted, auditor-approved plan, you bypass decades of painful trial, error, expensive mistakes, and those potential major nonconformities. You immediately inherit the wisdom and structure of organizations that have literally been refining their security posture for 2 decades.
So what's the big takeaway from this explainer? You need to stop relying on those ineffective, generic slides today, and you absolutely under no circumstances can afford to let your training execution delay hit that 6-month mark. Secure your compliance head start today. You can equip your team with this comprehensive, authoritative training plan template directly at ISO 27001.institute. By making that one simple move, you ensure your training program is bulletproof, genuinely role-specific, and fully aligned with the most stringent auditor expectations out there.
Let me leave you with one final provocative question. Will your next audit reveal a mature, threat-driven culture of security, or will it just uncover another 6-month delay and a devastating major non-conformance? The tools to guarantee it's the former and to fast-track your ISMS maturity are sitting right at your fingertips. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Stay focused out there and keep learning.